So I'm getting ready to redecorate my shelves. Those cool wood and pipe shelves that I made last year, they're all decorated for Christmas right now, and I want to switch it over to do something more springy, even though it's not spring here, but or at least neutral. I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing yet, but I want to get rid of the Christmas and, you know, get to a more neutral place with my decor. So yeah, I'm going to be taking down all the Christmas, but I specifically want to show you guys the process with the shelves. So I hope you enjoy seeing what I do, and thanks for watching. thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. It's fun to take you guys with me and show you the process as I decorate or undecorate and all that stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one. Love you guys. Thank you.